Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over my July Ipsy by Boxycharm. Boxycharm by Ipsy? One of these days I'll figure it out. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box. I get it every month. There are different sizes. I get the base box. It's $27.99. I will have everything listed in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video. I just like to share what I got because you can get different things. You get 2 items picked for you, and then you get to choose 3 more items. I did cheat and see what was in the box so that I would have the opportunity to use these products on camera in the event you are interested in either grabbing Boxycharm, because they do have monthly sales where you can grab things that were in previous boxes, or get them from the retailer's website. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. I have my brows done and my eyes primed. Inside the box, they do have a little protector. Can't say it does a darn thing. And I did hear a lot of drama about a lot of subscribers getting a broken Natasha Denona palette. That is such a bummer. My sister is one of them. And Ipsy, you need to do a better job packing these boxes because it's upsetting when you get broken makeup. Inside the box, we had that sad little protector. We have basically a flyer. You used to get information about what was in your box. Kind of missed that as well. But let's just jump in. This is a Silk Protein Primer. Cat Burki retails for $54. It is the ultimate multitasker. A primer that's also a skincare superhero. Powerful formula, does more than just prep your skin for makeup. It actually improves it over time. Botanical hyaluronic acid and silk amino protein complex provide deep hydration and help plump without clogging pores, while zinc and titanium dioxide help create a protective barrier against harmful UVB rays. Sounds really nice. It looks really pretty. Appears to be a glass bottle. I'm gonna shake it just in case I need to. I like the rose gold. Oh, and it's thin, which I like. I'm gonna do 2 pumps because I don't know how much to use. Warm it up in my hands, and then I'm just gonna press it. It has a fresh spa-like scent, and I really like the way it applied. Let's see if it dries sticky. While that's setting, I'll move into the eyes, and I got a palette with a little bubble wrap. This is the Ciate London Brazilian Glow Eyeshadow Palette. Love the packaging. Nice mirror. And let's fold this back. I'll let you take a peek. It's your go-to summer palette, range of multitasking shades that effortlessly sculpt, highlight, and define your features. A must-have for glowy glam. I like it. I think I'm gonna go, I don't know who I am today, but I'm feeling like more of a pink look. I'm gonna start with Poolside, and a lot of kickback in the pan. I'm gonna take, what is this? This is an Essence blender brush. And I'm gonna take that Poolside, I like the name too, and just dust this in my crease. I believe I've had Ciate London palettes before, and they were okay. I'm curious to see if this one is different. It's the same formula. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is a Refer 14, and I want to go into a deeper shade. Campfire looks like a slightly deeper shade if you look there and then there. Let's try to build up the crease more. Yeah, I can see a slight difference. More monochromatic, but I like that. Now for the shimmer, I think I'll go with Dreamer. I see 2 sort of mid-tone pinky shimmers. I'm gonna go in with Dreamer, and then I'll probably do something a little brighter on the inner area. That feels pretty nice. Warmed it up a little bit. Pretty. Now I'll go into this splash. gonna put that. Ooh. It's got a nice pop. Very pretty. Now I think I'll take a little pencil brush and I'm gonna deepen this a little. Maybe I'm gonna go in with Chill Out. Just add that on the outer edge here. I'm gonna go back into Campfire and just go over that edge. Back into Dreamer and just go over that center to sort of blend the light and the dark on both sides. I'm just going to wipe off this Smoky Eyes brush from Essence and I'm going to go on the bottom lash line. This time I think I'm going to use tan lines. Still playing. I'm going to take more of that tan lines and put that on the outer corner because I think I want some cohesiveness going around there. I do have fallout. I'm going to tuck this hair behind my ears for a moment and throw on some foundation. The primer is still very, very slightly tacky, but not enough to bother me. Just throwing on some of my Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. All right. I think there's a little more glow on my skin than normal. The skin does look very smooth. So far so good with this primer. I went ahead and added some bronzer, some liner, and mascara. And if I didn't mention, this palette retails for $45. I do like the look. I think it's soft and romantic. I like the combination of the mauve and a little bit of a peachy pink situation going on there. So far so good. The next product is this one from Tresluce, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Beauty. This is the Playa Dreams Duo Highlighter in Everlasting and Paradise. I'm not huge into highlight these days, but I figured this could also be used as an eyeshadow. Here is what it looks like on the inside. It says, this dynamic duo will be the highlight of your beauty routine and bring an ethereal glow to your skin that's downright dreamy. Infused with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and jojoba oil, this highlighter delivers a stunning luminosity that lasts all day. Retails for $26, and it looks like there's a cream and a powder. So there's a little cover here. Oh, that feels nice. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's the cream. And then here is the powder. I'm liking that. For the cream, I'm just gonna use my finger. Now I like to do bronzer, highlight, and then blush, just for a nicer blend. So I'm going in with the cream, and I'm just gonna tap that in right around here. There is the cream, and then I'll go in with my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'll go in with the powder. And just sort of tap that on top of the cream. And of course you could use them separately. I have never tried Tresluce. I've seen it at Ulta and I've never tried it. I hope you can see it well on the camera. That's very nice. I'm going to take a little bit of the powder on a flat brush and see if I can add that. I think it adds a little bit. Put a little bit of the cream on the actual inner corner. A little something, maybe a little on the brow bones. Ooh, that's too much. Just tap it in. Very nice. Next up, we have the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick in Lucky Days. $20. Ultra lightweight formula, glides on skin like a dream and melts in for a long-lasting radiant flush of pink color. Super blendable, allows you to go from a subtle glow to a vibrant pop, while nourishing ingredients like rosehip, seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter help keep your skin soft and happy. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's supposed to happen? I don't think that's supposed to happen. We'll just push that back down in there. It's got interesting marks in it. It almost has like little swirls. All right, I'm gonna leave that right there, and I like to work off the back of my hand. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Putty Primer brush and just tap in. All right. A little bit does not go a long way, so I guess it's more of a buildable formula. I'm adding more to my hand. Definitely some glowy cheeks, but I do like it. No scent. Skin is looking really good. I don't know if it's the blush or the primer or just all the things combined, but I'm liking. And the last product I have here is from the Beauty Crop. This is the Lipped Cream Lip Kit. It retails for $20, which is not bad because you get a lip liner and a lip color inside. Date night on your calendar. This lipstick and lip liner will help you get the most kissable lip ever. Enriched with nourishing shea butter and jojoba oil, the liquid lipstick provides a semi-matte finish that lasts all day. For that extra oomph, this liner is perfect for defining and sculpting your pout so it lasts all night. Just this hydrating liquid lipstick. I am not seeing a shade, but I will do further research while editing. Here is the lip liner. Ooh, did I just open it aggressively? The little tip was broken. That could have been me. There's what it looks like. Let me swatch it. Yes, I would say it's a mauvey pink, almost tinging purple. That was really creamy and a little difficult to control. I just tried to put the lid on and hit it again. So be careful. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and let's let it set, and then hopefully I will remember to check it at the end of the video. But the good news is you can put it on, just spread it around and wear it as a lip color, which is nice. But let's check out this liquid lip. Looks nice. Doesn't have a scent. I'm back. I gave it a minute to set in and it feels really nice. It feels like what I would like. It feels like there's nothing on my lips, maybe a hair dry. If I wanted to be picky, the applicator felt cheap, but the product itself felt very, very thin, which I like, and I didn't have to re-dip, which I like. I think this is a winner. I'm gonna give it another minute and then we'll do the kiss test and everything, but I really, this might be my favorite. Let's review. The primer, time will tell, but so far I am liking it. I did not set my face on the perimeters. I only set my T-zone. I've got a nice glow going on. I've got a nice smoothness to my skin. So far, so good. I am liking it. I will keep you posted. It's a little bit later in the day. It's probably 2 o'clock, but I'm sure I'll have this makeup on until around 10. I'll keep you posted if I am an oil slick, but so far I'm liking that. The eyeshadow palette, is it my favorite formula? No. But did I get what I want? Is there a variation of tone? Is there a deep one? Is there a bright one? Was it easy to apply? Yes. I did not love this chill out shade. I had a hard time getting it on my outer corner and I had fallout, but the tan lines was better. I will continue playing with this and keep you posted. I'm not sure it's worth $45, but I do like it and I'm glad that I have it and I will play with it. The highlight is the biggest surprise. I like this more than I thought I would. I think it looks beautiful. The blush, it's okay. I almost prefer having a little more pigment and having to be careful than for me to have to keep going in and in. I went in 2 or 3 times to build up the color on my cheeks, and the shade itself I'm not hugely a fan of. I would like it to be a little more of a deeper mauve. I have a very slight love of pink. There are certain tones that I do not like and certain tones that I do. This is on the cusp of the tone that I don't like, but this, I think with the look, it looks good. And the lip set. I would say be careful with the lip liner. I also feel like this is a lip liner you would blow through, because me just pulling it out, I broke the tip. I had to sharpen it. This is one that I feel like you'd need to sharpen every time that you use it. The liquid lip, that might save you the money though, because if it stays on, then you're not reapplying. So is there value there? I think so. For $10 each, I think it's pretty nice. Definitely not a long-lasting lip liner, but the lip color, That looks good. So yeah, just that lip liner came off. If my math in my head is right, I came up with $159 in value for the box. So for less than $30 me paying, was it worth it? Yes. I call this box a winner. I liked it. I liked the fact that I had all makeup items. They were good makeup items. Good job, Ipsy. Do better with your stuffing in the box. This is not good enough. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you hit that notification bell, you'll get a notification every time that I upload a video. Give the video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and of course, leave me a comment. Are you getting the Ipsy box? Do you get the base box that was Boxycharm? Everything that I'm wearing on my face from Ipsy is going to be listed in the description box. Any other items that I added will be listed in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.